Sweet potato industry is very vibrant in North Carolina. I like to tell people that the main thing it has done, it has grown, particularly since World War II, from a regional, very seasonal industry to a year-round worldwide phenomenon. We grow about 100,000 acres, which is more than any other state. In fact, it's probably more than all the other states combined. You can grow sweet potatoes in a lot of different places. Eastern North Carolina is particularly ideal for growing sweet potatoes. You need very open, sandy, relatively low fertility soil. They can tolerate droughts, and so we have lots of that type of soil here in East North Carolina. What has made us unique is that we were fortunate to have some very far-sighted people in the industry who were willing to invest in infrastructure. It is not enough to be able to grow the sweet potatoes, but you must be able to take care of them when they come out of the field. The sweet potatoes that we grow, we harvest primarily from late August on through sometimes early November generally, and we can put them in storage, and under the right conditions we can store them for 10 months or longer. That is exactly what the people that buy sweet potatoes want. They would like, the processors and the grocery stores and the consumers would like to have a supply year-round, and that's what we can offer. We have always exported a few sweet potatoes primarily to Canada, but in the last 20 years or so we have been exporting to Europe, and to the point now where 40+% of what we grow here in North Carolina wounds up in Europe. That is a big market that we did not have years ago. We have a very strong, and have had a very strong, Sweet Potato Commission here in North Carolina. Sweet Potato Commission is basically a commission that is composed of farmers, and they are taxed according to how many acres, or their assessed to how many acres of sweet potatoes they produce. And so there's a pot of money, and over the years that money has really gone in one of two directions. It has either gone into research, but a lot of that money has gone into promotion. Giving the credit to the industry and to the growers and the packers for being very forward-looking, I would also say they have been very supportive of NC State, and NC State has been very supportive of them. I think we have here at NC State the largest and best cadre of sweet potato research probably anywhere in the world, all the way from breeding, all the way through to growing them, and the things that I have done with storage and packing and that sort of thing, all the way through to food science. So we've got it covered. We've got the whole gamut of research covered. We couldn't have done that without the cooperation of the growers, and so I give them a lot of credit for that.